9:03 विवेक और सृष्टि आपके साथ एवरी ऑल्टरनेट मंडेज टॉक एसएमई एसेंशियल्स ब्रॉट टू यू बाय Tally Solutions. Now we've been featuring women entrepreneurs. We've got Harjot Oberoi Bohra, head of marketing, brands and communications, Khaleej Times in our office. और उनके बारे में आपको हम बताते हैं.
Well, of course, a very good morning to you, Vivek and Srishti. आपके साथ we have with us Harjot Oberoi Bohra, 19 years of experience in the marketing and media industries, a seasoned professional with a proven track record of success across various sectors. चाहे आप रेडियो की बात करें, प्रिंट की बात करें, communications, event, entertainment and television. She's built a distinguished career, no doubt about it, collaborating with leading private holding companies and multidisciplinary companies, playing a pivotal role delivering integrated marketing and media solutions. A very good morning to you, Harjot.
Good morning, Srishti. Good morning, Vivek. Thank you for having me here.
It is our pleasure to have you, Harjot, in our studios as well. You know, आज खलीज टाइम्स की हमने बात की तो हमने एक न्यूज़ देखा उसमें कि 6,600 दिरहम किसी ने गोल्ड कॉफ़ी पीने में लगा दी. ये सोच के तो मतलब हैरान ही हो गए हैं, बट इट इज़ नॉट यू नो
New, no, for this region.
है ना. वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड एंड वी हैव सीन कि ऐसे ऐसे बिल्स आते हैं. व्हाट इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव थिंग यू एवर हैड इन दुबई, हरजोत, इफ यू रिमेंबर?
Yeah, I will not name the brand, but again, it was an ice cream.
आइसक्रीम था,
Yes,
गोल्ड वाला.
Gold wala, and the place was there at Jumeirah,
Oh.
and I was one of the first ones to go and grab it.
पैसे
Just
देने पड़े थे?
पैसे देने
Fabulous.
पड़े. पे करके खाई थी. So yeah, that's why I remember. Otherwise, I think because of the profession, we are very fortunate enough to try all the new things for the first time.
राइट. एंड यू नो entrepreneurial journeys की बात कर रहे हैं. women entrepreneurship day जो है, it's around the corner, so I'm sure this has a significant meaning for you as well. So we've seen there is a rise of women entrepreneurs in this region.
Absolutely.
And you meet a lot of them, Harjot, है ना, काफी लोगों को आप मिलते हो.
Yeah, be it any industries and every industry, we are like fortunate enough to have them at the initial stage and grow with them. Like, when jab milte hain, they are just starting their journey, and we know when they are after a decade also.
Right.
So yes, it's a
Have you come across anyone who has blown your mind, or in terms of any solution that they provide with their business ventures?
you know what lately I was in a panel Tally
And you
ka-
won award as well?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Congratulations
Thank you.
on that.
Thank you. So that was all about top 50 women entrepreneurs under one roof, and I've seen the skill set of each woman, how they develop. I mean, they come, they say that they have retired and they go back with the new journey and just skip to the new world. So yeah.
So a lot of aspiring women entrepreneurs, almost अब हम जो बात कर रहे थे women entrepreneurship day भी आ रहा है. What does it mean to you personally?
So okay, I'll ask you a question. Don't you think so that every woman is an entrepreneur when they are born?
Oh, absolutely.
So
And we're born with those skills.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean it is there,
Yeah.
and we just have to sharpen it more.
Right.
So right from budgeting your home, being part of that budget,
Mhm.
it's all about being an entrepreneur
Right.
within yourself. So yes,
When
so
did your entrepreneurial journey start, Harjot? कब आपने शुरू किया था?
I would say matlab, I was 16 years old.
Wow.
I started my own studio, dance studio.
अरे वाह.
And those time it used to be over weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, where I used to collect the money because allowed nahi tha money under 18, right? So they used to pay,
Right.
but I had a pet, where I used to charity this
Okay.
for all the stray dogs and everything. So yeah, it was 16.
और कौन सा डांस सिखाते थे? बॉलीवुड डांस या फिर
Bollywood.
कंटेम्परेरी या फिर
Bollywood.
बैले?
Bollywood and contemporary are my forte, so
Right.
Bollywood too, because it was all, that time I can say all the aunties, they used to come.
And you used to teach, is
yes,
it?
Yes,
Oh
yeah.
wow.
So it
I've
was
never
like
seen you
a-
dancing though.
You should follow my Instagram then.
Dancing videos आते हैं उसमें.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
Well, definitely career span हुआ है आपका around 2 decades. I'm talking about almost 20 years, top organizations, media में, marketing में. So, do you think, being a woman when you are in this industry, it has a unique perspective added to it?
Yes, it does. The emotional intelligence is what I would say we edge up.
Okay.
When we talk about women being in various the emotional thing is an instinct for everything and everything, what I believe in
Right,
it. So
right.
yes, definitely.
Definitely. Okay.
You know, recently Tally के साथ partnership हुआ Khaleej Times का to celebrate MSMEs as well. Tally MSME honors.
Yeah.
आपका perspective कि why is it essential to spotlight the achievements of small businesses and how can this inspire growth?
It is the backbone of the economy. I mean, if we'll see in today's world, right? So it is all those SMEs which comes together and is something which is, heard for. Let's talk about the clothing brand, the Giving Moment, how it started and where it is now.
Right.
So yeah.
So how it started and where is it now?
You want to go into numbers?
No, at least want to know
A broad
Giving
perspective.
Moment का
See,
concept क्या है?
Stores, it's a clothing brand, which
Okay.
it's a UAE built brand,
Okay.
right? When we listen, Giving Moment, you need to endorse me now, get me clothes. I'm talking about you in a big
वो तो मिल ही जाएगा
No,
आपको,
no,
yeah.
I'm just kidding. So it started with a very small journey. Ki, okay, fine, we'll start and get into it with the small scale business. Maybe we'll do an home scaling and then go to e-commerce. Now, how many stores they have?
But
and
what is the
everyone-
concept Giving Moment का? Does it go for charity? Is it or people donate clothes? What is the concept?
No. It's a clothing tag like we wear any brand, right? It's a
Right.
brand and they does add
जैसे टॉमी हिलफिगर हो गया जैसे
Exactly
तो वैसे ही
like
नाम
that.
है द गिविंग मोमेंट
yeah,
बट देयर इज नथिंग टू डू विद चैरिटी
sustainable angle and all of that. So
Okay.
yes,
ओके
yeah,
एंड दे हैव मेनी स्टोर्स
they have.
And the
City
way-
Walk has the maximum, collections to go there.
राइट सो यूएई होम ग्रोन ब्रांड्स जो है ना दे आर क्रिएटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ वेव्स एज वेल एंड इंटरनेशनल सर्किट पे भी पहुंच रहा है नाउ वी सी के बहुत सारे कंपनीज आर बीइंग लिस्टेड एज वेल बहुत सारे कंपनीज को एक मौका मिल रहा है सो द बिजनेस लैंडस्केप इज रियली एक्सप्लोडिंग इन यूएई योर थॉट्स ऑन दैट
It is. I think it's a stepping. When we say that initial step, and the region really helps in that. So when we want to go anywhere else in the globe, I think everyone steps to UAE, Dubai, and then take their move to the next step.
Right.
They connect to the world from here,
Right.
and all the aspirations and everything is right, and they support the region support. I think.
एंड प्लस द बिजनेस कम्युनिटी एज वेल ना बहुत अच्छे से
Yes.
सपोर्ट मिलता है गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से भी एंड अ लॉट ऑफ नेटवर्किंग ग्रुप्स
Community groups. I mean, it's crazy how they there is no term as competition here. It's so much like collaboration. If
Okay.
you will see, there are small communities.
Uh-huh.
That's what Tally is also doing, right?
Right.
They are building a community for all for her.
राइट
So it's all building together with no feeling of competition and just taking benefits of the skill set what other person has or other organization has.
अमेजिंग है विल कंटिन्यू द कन्वर्सेशन अगर आपके पास कोई भी सवाल हरजोत ओबरॉय बोरा हमारे स्टूडियो में है यू कैन ऑलवेज सेंड अस अ व्हाट्सएप 0586861003 और गिव अस अ कॉल 800-81003 दिस इज टॉक एसएमई एसेंशियल्स ब्रॉट टू यू बाय टैली सॉल्यूशंस 12 मिनट विवेक और सृष्टि आपके साथ हरजोत ओबरॉय बोरा हमारे साथ है एंड वी आर डिस्कसिंग ऑल अबाउट मार्केटिंग अबाउट ब्रांड्स एंड कम्युनिकेशंस रिसेंटली टैली के शो पे यू वर अ पैनल एज वेल हरजोत जो आप कह रहे थे इफ यू कुड टेल अस दैट एक्सपीरियंस
The experience sitting next to each powered women were itself, it was such a great experience. We had another 4 panelists who were like the role model for so many. So yes, itna acha detailed discussion tha where we talked being from professional to your personal world,
right.
and it was one of its kind. So we loved it, and I mean, we spoke about how women are at house and how they are in corporate world, the work-life balance, contribution to the world, and spoke about my journey, all of that.
You know, your journey is quite inspiring as well, and the profile that you have at Khaleej Times as well, head of marketing, brands and communications. Harjot, brands, communications, marketing. If you could tell us more, give us more understanding on the profile that you, handle.
So the journey, I mean, I've earned it, I would like to
Right,
say.
right.
Started with a position of AGM,
Wow.
and being with the organization, they helped, for me to be groomed to that level. It's
Nice.
been 11 years now with the organization. Was part of different roles. Job rotation was the major motivation being in
Okay.
the organization. So when
Okay.
you are in one organization and be there for good time, there is a word which is monotonous which comes in.
Correct.
It's not that you're not performing.
Right.
But the best part of the organization was job rotation.
Right.
Started with a position of AGM, welcomed in the region. This was my first job in the region. Before that,
Wow.
I have all the experience back home.
Mm-hmm.
And again with publications house like Times of India, Star India Private Limited, Star Sports. From there, it was a journey where was fortunate enough, was brought into the region by having this job. Started with sales, was part as head of sales for quite a number of years, and then getting those connection, relationship, retention, and partnership. Here with College Times, the core, KPI for marketing is partnerships. So when I talk about partnerships, it is not only with the organizers who does event, but your clients.
Right.
How do you do networking? How do you get them on board? What they like, what they don't like is all about us. And of course, our KPIs of digital marketing, being all out, the brand. I'm sure you must have seen College Times in last 5 years. We've tried capturing the maximum market share, and we are visible everywhere.
Thank God कि subscription अभी तक नहीं आया है, तो really very happy for it, because you know most of the talkable stories हम वहीं से निकालते हैं, so thank you for that as well. And मजहर फारूकी साहब आते रहते हैं, and you know the criminal investigation
Scams.
Yeah, a lot of them. You did mention, you know, Star Sports पे आपने काम किया, and there are these big brands that you work for. How does that change your life? जब आप ये बड़े companies, organizations, because Star Sports जैसे आपने कहा, मुझे लगा कि हाँ आपको टीवी पे कहीं देखा है मैंने. But when you work for big brands, you know, what is that life-changing moment that happens within an individual?
So when you work for the big brands, so you are a small fish in a big pond. So you learn a lot.
Right.
You know, when you are at initial stage, when, you know, when Times of India, when I started my journey, you was just an senior officer. And the hierarchy there is big, right? So you are the one of the lowest person where you learn, and that is what is the best thing.
Right.
Because everything is on your head, and that builds you up.
And you're answerable for everything. You're accountable for everything.
We are. So because of to our line managers, but to the management line manager phase.
And बहुत sensitive होता है वहाँ पे हर चीज, because everything is monitored.
Everything is monitored, yes, and it's media life. You have to be true, right? You are going all out and reaching out to masses. You can't make any mistake.
Right. You know, media life back in India and here in UAE, I'm sure there is a lot of difference, because even I have a little bit of experience on that. But when we talk about the evolution of media, यहाँ पे new age media अगर आप बोलो, the way social media has taken over, it is next level. Harjot, your thoughts on that?
So when we compare print media to this region, yes, there is a difference between India and we are few steps behind. But when we talk about social media or digital media, I think the region is killing it. The way we plan all our posts is all out. The way it is so interactive and the audience reacts to it is what works. So yeah, it is very different.
But that pressure is going on to a lot of people. जहाँ पे आपको अपने आप को social media में present करना है. Be it individuals, be it brands. How should they take it forward?
You know, earlier there used to be a real world and virtual world. Abhi there are 3 worlds: real world, virtual world, and social media world. But you know, the best part is the reach takes you anywhere and everywhere.
Right.
So it is not restricted to a region. You are if you are right and you are doing it in a right way, you are faced for globe.
What is that industry? I really want to know the kind of careers जो लोगों ने बनाया है. Have you explored that angle as well when you're, because that is media, that is a part of media now. Maybe it is regulated, not regulated, some port, in terms of the content that you put, but career as a career.
You know, there was a time lately where it is compulsory to have a license to be an influencer.
Right. The freelancer license.
Yeah, so that is, what you're posting.
Regulation.
So there is Regulation Act. People are monitoring. You just can't post anything and everything which harms. And the best part is how the accounts are blocked or reported if it is not right. So it is another form of a news or
exactly
all out, and it is working. It is working. So.
But there comes a lot of responsibility with it, Harjot. I feel that कि बस आपको content बस डालना है so that you get views. you end up doing things which are really not meant to be consumed by the normal audience.
Yeah.
How do you get that gap, and how do you maintain it?
That relatability and
Yeah. Or
I
to each
agree.
one to its own. ठीक
No,
है,
no.
जिसको जो डालना डालो.
No, of course that shouldn't be a point. I agree to your point for sure, because when you take this charge, or a tag of influencer, you are responsible for adding up to the society. So I would rather tell everybody, post what is just not for the sake of it, but be the real you and in the real world.
But there is huge money as a career as well. You can get what 5,000, 10,000
I
dirhams
will
a
not
post.
comment on that, but yeah, we know we go to influencers and ask them to join. So yes, there is a money, there is a commercial world around
Right,
it.
right.
So even I have two accounts. One is my personal life on Insta, because I don't want anyone and everyone to see it.
Oh.
And then being in this profession, they were like, why your account is private, right? So I
Right.
had to get another account which is for public, and that is only talking about other influencer. I do blogging for food because I love F&B industry to the core, because of my family being around and in that business.
Right.
So yeah, so there is money for sure, but you need to channelize it in a right way and do right things.
Right.
well, of course, F&B industry की आपने बात की, and you did say that you have an innate love for it. Where did that stem from? बचपन से?
No, that started from my kitchen.
Okay.
So yeah, so there were 3 things which I really loved,
Okay.
and actually 4.
Okay.
Actually 4.
Right.
So one is the dancing, which is lot of with direction also. I love directing an event, or my vision or my goal is to direct a movie
Oh,
Wow.
before I retire. or
हीरो
do
हीरोइन
anything.
बैठे हैं इस तक से.
Done.
हमारी बात नहीं कर रहे. आपकी और प्रियश की बात कर रहे हैं.
So wo hai, and kara. So when I said I started our studio, so we did short films, and similarly, I don't know what we call it, image consulting in today's world,
Definitely.
but I'm talking about 22 years back when it was. I used to invite people at home and sketch for design their clothes,
Okay.
and had a tailor in house.
Oh, wow.
So
Wow.
that time it was like seeing customizing and doing image consulting and all
Right.
of that. So that also helped. The third thing which I loved was I can talk in Hindi, right?
Of course, बिल्कुल बात कर सकते हैं.
बेटर है.
So you know that Delhi के दही बड़े. So
सुना है बहुत.
हाँ.
खाया नहीं
So
कभी. कब बना
next
रहे?
time बस अभी.
मैंने खाया है.
बस अभी बोल रहे हैं, जो आप भी बनाती हो.
So when you have to cook, you have to do an overnight cooking for it. But there was like somebody who really loved that. So I tried cooking dahi bade from a bread.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
Instant.
नहीं
क्या
तो
बात
किसके
है?
बनते?
Urd ki dal.
दाल
की
के बनते
दाल.
भिगा के
हाँ,
रखना
अच्छा,
पड़ता है.
Yeah, yeah. So immediately, and that was talk of the town of my society.
अरे
So next very day, people started coming in. Okay, let's try. And then जब छोटे होते हैं तो there are carnivals and everything. So उसका stand लगना. and
वहाँ
going
से
all-
entrepreneurial journey.
So yeah, it all started from F&B, and then being in this region, my dad was part of Just Vegan, which was all about vegan food. Started in COVID times.
तो वहाँ तो दही भल्ले नहीं चलेंगे.
वहाँ दही भल्ले नहीं चला. वहाँ पे सिर्फ मेरा मार्केटिंग का स्किल सेट चला, बिकॉज आई एम मोर ऑफ अ देसी कुक, like fusion in desi. But yeah, so all of that.
But you've always had this entrepreneur in you कहीं ना कहीं पे, for sure, no doubt about it. बचपन से.
We'll continue the conversation. आपके पास कोई भी सवाल, you can always send a WhatsApp 0586861003. This is Talk SME Essentials, brought to you by Tally Solutions.
Roy, SME Essentials brought to you by Tally. And we've been talking to her, of course, Delhi के दही भल्ले. But apart from that, Arjot, we're talking about, जो आप बता रहे हो कि when you were younger, you had कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है वो एक skill of entrepreneurship तो कभी लगा कि at a certain point of time कि यार this is what I want to do, this is the career path that I want to take.
Actually, yes. So as I mentioned, there were various things while
Right.
I was studying, and
Right.
then things just moved on. Then being part of the CRC committee in college, and then contributing there, all of that was all there. I felt that media, before media, I was a banker.
Right.
I worked in 2 banks.
Okay.
But again, it was related to industry, entrepreneur. It was a very supply chain management,
Okay.
identifying the main vendor and then giving loan to their supplier and their clients. So it was understanding the business model of a particular portfolio.
Okay.
from there, I thought, matlab, I'm not enjoying it.
Okay.
Right.
Because every day should be a new world for me. Every day I should meet new people. So then I got into media, and that there I felt that this is the right thing. So getting into media is basically understanding others' business.
Right.
Unless you don't understand others' business, you don't know what to offer them.
Right.
You know, talking about media, I'm sure a lot of people ask you this very cliche question कि किस किस celebrity से आप मिले हो हरजोत अभी तक?
Answer is सबसे.
Ah.
अमिताभ बच्चन,
Yes.
एलॉन मस्क,
नहीं.
सारे
So,
इंडियन बॉलीवुड
Bollywood,
एक्टर्स,
yes.
पाकिस्तानी एक्टर्स,
Pakistan,
क्रिकेटर्स,
yeah. That golden visa era, no, when it started, the first of its
2020,
kind,
2021.
तो सबको मिल रहा था golden visas, the chance to interview them, be with them, get them to our office.
Right.
So got us and concerts तो हम live यहाँ भूल ही नहीं सकते. Every weekend is a new concert, new people performing. So yeah. So we get a chance to meet them because, as I mentioned, partnership is what I would call it, not
Right.
media association.
Right.
Because we are with them right from starting point. Make sure we strategize things for them. The
Oh,
tickets should sell. What is the right way? What are the right dates with the organizer? What and now all of these organizers, event guys, I would say they are friends and family.
Amazing, yeah.
We've started discussing work to our core without commercial interest. Like there's no personal commercial interest, but they ask, Harjot, do you think these dates will work with this artist?
Right.
So that knowledge of sharing with each other has always again.
So brand ही ऐसा है Khalij Times that you know people would anyways want to be associated as well. So that makes your life easy in terms of events, organizers coming and approaching you, Harjot.
Actually, it's the brand here. There is a pull factor for sure because of various reasons. The editorial content we have, as you mentioned, subscription nahi hai.
Yeah.
And you see the fresh stories. You must have seen our new social media handle, KT Plus. This is something very unique, very different. Our
Right.
multimedia team is just killing
Amazing,
it.
no? Yeah.
The way they, a smallest post of hiring, jo kara tha, that got viral.
Wow.
If you've seen that, it was a post where there was an announcement that we need to hire certain position, and background mein na, there were 2-3 colleagues just pulling hair,
Each other's hair.
and all of that. That was a new way that we are there. We enjoy while we work.
So pulling hair is a part and parcel of the
That's like
of the job profile. Yeah.
Just one of the strategies. But talking about the strategies, you've been there with the marketing and in the marketing field for such a long time, and आपने बात किया about all these campaigns that are done and all those dates that you keep in mind. तो क्या approach रहता है when you're creating a very, very impactful campaign? What are the things that you are looking at?
What I feel personally, every campaign is very personal and customized.
Right.
Like when you get up and you see what suits you, what you should wear, how you should go out, it is very different for each one of us, right? So each client, each organization, it is very customized and it is on a vision board. How will they expand? That expansion plan for that particular industry or a client, to understand that is very important.
Right.
Now let's say कि इतने सारे events already हुए हैं, the ones which are coming up, if you could probably give us an example of a event which is happening and how do you curate the marketing idea for them with Khalij Times?
So you must have abhi ek event kal we have just done the finals and it was
Futsal.
Futsal League, influencer Futsal League.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Achha.
So it was a very different concept. 2.5 years back, AG Events, they did a celebrity football league where we had Ranbir Kapoor,
yeah.
Abhishek Bachchan, all 22 celebrities under one roof playing against
each other
and the influencers in the football world.
Wow.
So in the similar concept, there was a full, 8 teams competing with each other and captains were known Emirati influencers with a reach of 64 million. The idea just came in. We were sitting with the AG Events. Again here played a vital role of being a strategist. That you should do it, date, time, season opening, and this was the first year of that IP.
Okay.
And let's see, I believe in it and it will only grow. Because it was executed in best of forms with the limited resources.
Hmm.
And
कहाँ हुआ ये football match and how did you select the venue and everything?
So the weather, I think, in the evening is now supporting
Hmm.
us. So right, so the venue was selected by the organizer, which was in Festival City,
Okay.
Charms. It's a very nice sports complex
Oh, nice.
with a water body. The thing, the fact, and everything was
Wow.
really nice. So yeah, and the the music adds to it. The way the festival was created, all of that had a great vibe.
Amazing. I will continue the discussion. लेकिन अनिल का ना एक बहुत अच्छा मैसेज है.
Mhm.
उन्होंने कहा कि from the day I've come to UAE for the last 10 years, I only read Khalij Times. I really appreciate the free e-paper on their website as well.
Thank you, Anil. I will communicate to the management. Thanks.
अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल for हरजोत ओबरॉय बोहरा, do give us a call 800-81003 और WhatsApp कर सकते हैं 0586861003. This is Talk SME Essentials brought to you by Tally Solutions.
A very good morning. 9:36 right now. The weather outside quite pleasant. 27 degrees Celsius हो गया है, and we are in conversation with Miss Harjot Oberoi Bohra. An interesting conversation going on with her.
Right, so Harjot, we were talking so many things about events. You know, this is one area which you specialize in. Would you say that you specialize in multiple things? Because as of now, आधे घंटे में इतना कुछ पता चला that you have your hands on everything. चाहे वो food हो, F&B हो, चाहे वो entrepreneurial journeys हो. तो
So
events is where you specialize in curating.
events is what I enjoy.
You enjoy.
So anything that you enjoy, automatically you specialize because you are keen to learn more about it.
Right.
You are keen to learn with your faults and all of that. So that's event is one core thing which I love it and I enjoy it.
Right.
And
अभी जैसे कोल्डप्ले का इवेंट हो रहा है, चार
oh,
शोज उन्होंने अनाउंस
ये
किए.
दुखती नस
दिलजीत
पे
का
हाथ रख
इवेंट
रहा है.
हुआ था. इट वाज क्रेजी द
हमने
हाइप.
दोनों ऐसे इवेंट्स के नाम लिए हैं जिसकी वजह से मेरा फोन नहीं बंद हुआ था एंड लोगों को लगा था, अगर लोगों को लगा था कि मेरे पास टिकट है, ऑन एयर आई एम सेइंग टिकट्स नहीं थी, आई
Yeah.
स्वेयर नहीं थी.
राइट.
So it was all sold out. So sorry जिनको नहीं मिली,
हाँ.
but yeah, that
अभी पब्लिकली अपोलोजाइज कर.
yeah.
बट चलो ये तो है कि इट्स अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल वेयर. बट ऐसे इवेंट जब आते हैं ना, दे रियली क्रिएट अ वेव अराउंड द वर्ल्ड फॉर दिस रीजन. योर थॉट्स ऑन दैट, हरजू?
So you know what? Doing an event, the most important thing is timeline, the date you choose. If
Okay.
you will see both the events, जो
हाँ.
अभी Coldplay आने वाला है and दिलजीत हुए थे, so it is all about the date, the
Right.
time, the
Right.
hype of Diljit was forever, and
Right.
the region had never seen it.
Right.
They were
Oh,
waiting.
this is the first time he
yeah,
performed here?
yeah.
Oh,
I mean, it was
wow.
long back.
Yeah,
he
very
did
long back.
very long back.
Okay.
Every year there was a hype, PR hype created
Hmm.
that Diljit is coming. He's coming. He's coming. He'll be performing, and his performance collaborations globally has made him reach where he is.
Right.
Every nationality knows him. It is not only about Asian,
Hmm.
and the land is full of nationality.
Right.
Absolutely.
So it was all pull.
या परफेक्ट. इनफैक्ट बाकी बिजनेस इवेंट्स की अगर बात करें, जाइटेक्स की बात करें, या फिर ऑल दीज मेगा इवेंट्स दैट हैपन, जैसे अभी एक्सपो भी हुआ था, इट रियली पुट्स यू एज अ कंट्री, एज अ सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड मैप. द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ
Yeah.
हैविंग इवेंट्स इन दिस रीजन, हरजोत, योर थॉट्स ऑन दैट?
Only I would like to say I'm proud to be associated and be part of the region. The way we've learned, evolved is something very different. And as mentioned earlier, the region is a platform, initial platform where you step and grow and
Right.
connect with the world.
Right.
So everyone wants to come here, showcase themselves and be part of it. I mean, be Jitex and everything. Just talk about tourism industry.
Wow.
They pump in so much of money here. They want them to be seen here. There's so many reasons for that. And yeah.
So many celebrities coming and living इस region में, that is also adding a lot of brand value for Dubai.
Yeah, because people actually now they've started calling Dubai as their first home. So you just say it like, it's endorsing and they are not being paid for that.
Right.
It comes within.
Right.
All of the celebrities, when they say, okay, fine, we love Dubai, it's our first home now.
Right.
Because of various reasons. How safe you feel in the country
Correct. Yeah.
is one of the topmost reasons.
इनफैक्ट जब से बाबा सेगल ने घर लिया है, उसके बाद मैं भी बड़ा इंस्पायर हो गया और मैंने भी बोला कि यार मैं भी लूंगा घर. बट या Baba Segal living here, it's like dream come true for me. For you,
So-
dream come true क्या है अगर बच्चन साहब, because मैंने देखा कि one of the property developers were advertising that as well. बच्चन साहब,
I think that I'm not.
this is like premium, मतलब बच्चन साहब.
I think 3 लोगों को they have got them on board. One
लेकिन
is
बच्चन साहब,
Mr. Abhishek Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan. Second is Ranveer and third is Sara. So उनको हर generation के साथ they wanted to showcase, they connect and they've got all 3 together.
अबू धाबी
which is
के
a very good marketing strategy.
डेवलपर है जिन्होंने रोहित शर्मा को रोप इन किया था. I mean,
see-
incredible, you know, Rohit Sharma coming in, you know, talking about the development and everything. It's phenomenal, yeah.
It is the fan following and the project related thing. So this
So-
project had everybody, all age target audience. So they got the
Right.
Amitabh Bachchan and everybody similarly.
So choosing the celebrity for the event, now wo aspect, how do you know, make sure, for example, any event organizer, when they come up with the celebrities?
So, you know, it comes from the
Organizers.
organizer. They want it because either they are big fan or they can relate their buyers who follow them.
Okay.
So and you know property business to a great extent
Yeah,
also. So
yeah.
yeah. So it is all about, you know, knowing your target audience, target buyers well. But getting that particular celebrity will only add values
Right.
in building the positive perception for that particular project.
Now you enjoy events. अगर आपको किसी सेलिब्रिटी को लाना हो यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे इवेंट कराना हो, तो who would that be, Harjot? Your favorite celebrities that you would want them to come here and perform?
Seriously, I need to say one.
अच्छा, you can say
अच्छा,
five.
तीन बोल दीजिए ना.
I am a biggest fan of Salman Khan.
Salman Khan.
Again, very fortunate enough
To meet him.
be associated with upcoming event that is Dabang, which
Dabang
is
Dabang
tour,
happening
tour,
on 7th.
yeah.
Yes. So, matlab, that is my. From childhood, there has been one person I follow and like, but yeah, all actually doing something of 90s and bringing people back. You know, getting
Alka Yagnik, Kumar Sanu.
Govinda ji with
Govinda.
Karishma and Ravina Tandon
Acha.
performance, all that, doing an event, getting an audience, or doing some kind of Sufi night in a in Coca-Cola Arena.
अच्छा.
That'll be one of its kinds. Changing the decor, changing the ambience with all the candles and dim lights, and then so yeah. So, I mean something
वो तो
different.
गजल नाइट ही हो जाएगी एक तरीके से.
Ghazal, Sufi, सब.
So you're into that
On
kind
air
of.
मैंने अपने upcoming wish कर दी है guys. Coffee.
मैनिफेस्ट होने वाला है फॉर श्योर. यू नो, जब ऐसे फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसे ग्रैंड इवेंट्स भी होते हैं और एनी ग्रैंड बिजनेसेस दैट ऑपरेट हियर, टैली हेल्प्स अ लॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्ट्रीमलाइनिंग आपका पूरा मनी पार्ट एज वेल. सो ऑपरेशंस अगर ऑर्गेनाइज रखना हो, तो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट यू थिंक इज टैली एज अ टूल जब स्ट्रीमलाइन करना हो डेली ऑपरेशंस एंड फाइनेंसेस एज वेल?
So it makes your life easy, and the most important thing is it saves time, because time is money, right? When you have that kind of support, things are well organized in front of you, tracked. You can go back and think, you know, have it filed in the best way is all that we need, and time is the most precious thing in today's.
And that's what we saw. You came at 8:30 only. 9
Yeah,
baje ke
because
इसके लिए.
no traffic. I did my work half an hour and I was right here.
Amazing. Yeah. We'll continue the discussion.
Okay.
Stock and traffic lined up.
Is 9:46 right now. We are in conversation with Harjot Oberoi Bohra, Head of Marketing, Brands and Communication, Khaleej Times. Harjot, बातें की हैं हमने उनके साथ. And of course, we would also like to know, Harjot, with your experience of building, you know, strong partnerships. We spoke about networking. We spoke about collaborations. What would be your top advice अगर हम create करना चाहते हैं एक meaningful, एक nurturing collaboration? क्या advice देना चाहेंगे आप?
To be transparent.
Okay.
That is the key, and to have your clear goals in mind. That's very important. Where are you right now and where do you want to achieve? To share with the person you're collaborating
Okay.
or the organization you're collaborating. So I would say that.
That would be okay.
You know, गुलाम का भी मैसेज आया, कहते हैं कि यार गुड मॉर्निंग, वी आर इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर्स. वी host events like Taste of Abu Dhabi, Winter, Taste of Dubai. If you want passes, I'll give you the passes for our events as well.
Thank you, Gulam.
आयुष का सवाल, with Dubai hosting numerous events simultaneously, particularly Bollywood shows on the same day, audiences एक dilemma होता है in choosing which event to attend. इससे potential decline भी होता है in interest और attendance. क्या strategies आप suggest करते हो to ensure कि event stands out and attracts a committed audience
Wow.
with the competition that are
Nice question. And a tough one though, because all event organizers are like one community for me. So mera suggestion yehi hoga, like we have different communities. We say that we have different, for example, Sindhi business community, financial community, CA community. We should have an event organizer community where all the
Okay.
event organizer, they should come together, plan their calendar well in advance. They should know, again the word collaboration comes here. So they should be, everyone has to have their pie, their market share. And a region will do concerts and it will never fail. Why?
Right.
Because, Dubai itself, it is so close to different. When we talk about Bollywood also, it's just 3 hours flight.
Skip, hop and jump.
Yeah, people do come.
Right.
It boosts the tourism side also.
Right.
So, I mean, I would only suggest to have a community and be a clear plan for the year, dates and everything, and stop clashing same category
Same
event on the
time,
same
right.
date.
Yeah.
That's it.
जिस तरह बॉलीवुड में होता है कि यार दिवाली जो है वो सलमान की होगी, ईद सलमान की होगी, एंड क्रिसमस आमिर की होगी, शाहरुख की होगी, तो वैसे इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर्स
बिल्कुल. I think
दिवाली
that
मेरी है,
that will be a success. I'm telling you, it will be a model, success model here. फिर there will be no, कि audience population में से इतना divide यहाँ जा रहा है, यहाँ जा रहा है, and yeah, and lot of things I think मेरे को जो लगता है salary week पे depend करता है.
सैलरी वीक का
Yeah.
मतलब फर्स्ट हफ्ता ऑफ द
Yeah,
मंथ.
last week या first week में you do event, no, there is a difference in the ticketing saying that
Oh,
I've
really?
learned. Yeah, I mean that is my personal study, and it does work because when the organizers they call, okay, thanks KT Khalij Times, KT is Khalij Times for being there as a partnership and all, and strategizing the ad in the right time. It is just not carrying the ads anytime and every time, right? It is placing the ad on a very planned date and days and all. So this really acts.
Right. When we talk about content as well, since you mentioned Khalij Times as well, having the content that creates a talkable kind of a discussion within the society, that is extremely important. You feel rather than presenting it in a very fancy or a glamorous way.
So content is a very core thing. When you'll see, when there are different categories of the event, right? When we spoke about Tally event which happened, it's a very B2B thing. So the platform, the media which is used to promote that event is various, including main Khalij Times as a newspaper.
Right.
When you talk about Dabang, when you talk about this futsal league, so futsal goes well with sports section, but Dabang goes well with our City Times, which is our daily dose of entertainment,
Right.
where we talk about upcoming, my kind of weekend, what we want to see. So the atmosphere, ambience is like that, which really kills it and gets the way out with the descriptive content support for an event.
Which is required. Absolutely amazing.
Well, of course, also, looking ahead, what do you think? ऐसे कौन से trends होंगे जब हम marketing की बात करते हैं, which is so important, which are going to shape the future of marketing? कोई ऐसे trends which you think are really going to make a difference?
One of the key aspects for next, I would say, a decade would be social media and word of mouth marketing, community connect, the way sending announcement on the WhatsApp groups of the community,
Okay.
going just viral, maybe doing a smaller workshops for that major event. Like press conference does help, but doing innovating that in a different way will be another elite thing.
So probably doing it on social media would definitely have
So
a way
digitally
more
है
impact.
future आप बोल रहे हो.
digital, I mean, and print चाहिए, क्योंकि the long reads that detailed with that picture and content can be actually only viewed when you hold a newspaper or a magazine in your hand. That connection is still there, and the region here, I strongly believe they love to see the print aspect also.
इतना फैन फॉलोइंग है प्रिंट का. मैंने देखा है कि दुबई पुलिस का एक अपडेट आया था कि गाड़ी चलाते चलाते न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे थे वो.
ये गलत है.
वो तो लकीली उन्होंने बताया नहीं कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर, लेकिन दुबई पुलिस ने ये फोटो जो है ना वो छापा था और मैंने खलीज टाइम्स में देखा कि वो पढ़ रहे हैं न्यूज़पेपर. इतना फैन फॉलोइंग. बट द आइडिया ऑफ रीडिंग अ न्यूज़पेपर अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग ये तो बैक होम का था, राइट? द कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पे उतना नहीं है. वी ऑल कंज्यूम ऑन द फोन.
No, but as mentioned, there is a certain pie in the region who actually, क्योंकि there are times कभी 15 minutes 20 minutes अगर delay हो जाता है ना newspaper, there are calls to our team. So they love reading it, like Young Times. It's a magazine which comes out monthly.
Right.
And it's the oldest magazine, and a magazine which does not have any competition because it is for the youth. What they are doing, how they are contributing to the region.
Wow.
We tried shelving that. The number of letters, because we thought, is there an
कौन पढ़ रहा
interaction?
होगा? Yeah.
Because the new generation, they are in their iPads and
Correct.
if they have
Device,
mobile,
yeah.
devices. But we got so many emails which was like, wow. I mean, the brand has its own pull, and the person who had built the brand, I must say, had done a wonderful job.
Right.
Yeah.
Amazing. We're running out of time. Couple of more questions.
Well, एक rapid fire quick question आपके साथ. If you had a superpower in your field, what would that superpower be if you'd love to have it in your field of work?
Rapid fire. Okay, 1 second.
मतलब सोचो और खाना आ गया सामने. मेरे लिए तो वो सुपर पावर है. सोचो बस सीधा खाना आ गया.
नहीं, switching of the sets. जो पीछे प्रोडक्शन करते हैं ना, that takes lot of time. अभी भी like you need the production to be done, but switching of the sets, there should be a board where you actually change the stage layout, performance angle, all of that, which in minutes.
पूरा एक set एकदम से बदल जाए.
Yeah, superpower.
क्या बात है, जबरदस्त है. It was a pleasure having you in our studios, Harjot. Quickly, अगर you want to mention anything about Tally Solutions, because ये women entrepreneurs को अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म, अच्छा मौका दे रहे. They can come out and share their stories and tell the world who they are. And Kalish Times does the same.
Yeah, so I would just say Tally, the new initiative, all for her, is a great initiative. It is for all those aspiring women who wants to start their new business and they lack certain resources. This is one resource which will act and pack your life easily, and you'll be all there with your records. So I would say go on the site, register yourself, be part of the community.
Amazing. And how can people get in touch with you, Harjot, if they want to know more about you and follow you on Instagram and stalk you over there? And
No, Life in a Frame is, when they'll type Harjot, there'll be Life in a Frame. That's the account where they can DM. And we'll be there. I reply very soon, so yes.
अच्छा. और Instagram हो गया, LinkedIn, WhatsApp.
Not sure my number, but yeah.
मतलब I can WhatsApp.
Nah, you can WhatsApp, but I will reply on LinkedIn and Insta. Very.
Right. जाते जाते कल क्या छपने वाला है कलीज टाइम में जरूर बता के जाइए हमें.
आप वेट करें.
Newsroom
is on it.
But lovely having you in our studios. बहुत अच्छा लगा to know so much about you as well.
No, it was great.
And you've inspired a lot of women entrepreneurs.
Thank you. And I wish to connect with them in person.
Thank you so much. Great having you with us.
Yeah, thank you.